You need to have the foundation and the infrastructure, set up for your business before you can realistically go out and start finding traffic. So you need the sales copy, you need the email automation part nailed, you need the email copy, you need content like blog content and stuff so that you can do a good nurture campaign so that when somebody clicks an ad and then, starts clicking around the rest of your site, that stuff is there. They know that you aren't a flash in the pan, you're going to disappear, and then, nobody cares. Hey, what's up? This is Jason Drone. Today I want to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes look at building a converting sales funnel. Now, a sales funnel is a hell of a lot more than just individual pages, landing pages, sales pages. A sales funnel requires that email campaigns be set up, that you have traffic campaigns going, that people are being moved and pushed through the sales funnel from piece to piece to piece, from just learning about you all the way to becoming a paying customer. So in setting up sales funnels, there are three pieces to the sales funnel: traffic, offer, and your follow-up. What often happens is people start with traffic and then they kind of back end into their offer and their follow-up. It's one of the biggest mistakes you can make, because at the end of the day, you're spending money on traffic without necessarily having a clear path to make that money back, to generate revenue from your offers. So where we start is we actually start with the offer in the middle. So your offer can take lots of different shapes. It can be a consulting offer, a coaching offer, a digital product, a membership course, physical product, you name it, mastermind. There's so many different ways to generate revenue. There's so many different kinds of offers that you can make to the world. I mean, that's what business is, Now, depending on that offer, you need your sales material. So your sales material itself, if you have an offer that is under $1,000, then you can usually sell it from like a video sales letter or a multi-video launch process. If you have a VSL, if you have a video sales letter, you need an upsell and downsell process. So you can take a $100 sale and then pitch something that's $300 and then pitch something that's more expensive or less expensive, whatever. If it's over $1,000, you need an automated webinar. If you were selling a consultative sales, consultative strategy session kind of sales call, that's where you're selling. So your offer is click the button to sign up for a call. Then you need a strategy session page. You need a calendar and all that kind of stuff. Or you can have a long form sales page, which they don't work anymore unless you also combine them with a video sales letter or some sort of a video. Long form works a little bit better for like software and stuff. But for the most part, video sales letters and webinars are going to be your two main pieces of sales material. Once those are up, then of course you need the pages. So the pages for those particular pieces of sales collateral, that's your landing pages, your sales pages, and those are easy to build. You have lots and lots of different software tools which give you the ability to build the marketing pages. Once that stuff is done, then you get into the follow-up, the campaign piece, the automation piece of the sales funnel. And you need email copy for your autoresponders. You need sales calls, if you're selling something high ticket. You need fulfillment sequences when somebody is buying something digitally, at least. Shopping cart abandonment sequences, bonding sequences. There's probably 25 to 35 emails that you are going to need, all pre-done and predetermined and done, ready in the can for when you launch your sales funnel. Then, and only then, after all of this is set up, can you start going after traffic. So, and your traffic takes the form, it can be Facebook ads, it can be Google ads, or email solo drops, or SEO organic campaigns, or blog posts, or, of the million kinds of traffic that you create. Here's my point. You need to have the foundation and the infrastructure, set up for your business before you can realistically go out and start finding traffic. So you need the sales copy, you need the email automation part nailed, you need the email copy, you need content like blog content and stuff so that you can do a good nurture campaign, so that when somebody clicks an ad and then starts clicking around the rest of your site, that stuff is there. They know that you aren't a flash in the pan, you're going to disappear, and then nobody cares. They know that if they invest the time in getting to know you better, and they explore the idea of giving you money for your products and services, then they will be making a good decision. At the end of the day, that's what it is. It's a lot of work to get built. It's a lot to set up originally, way more than it was even 2-3 years ago, when all you needed was a landing page or a webinar registration page and a couple emails, and then boom, you could start getting $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 clients. It's a lot more work than it used to be, but it's what's required now. I mean, you have to be able to put all of this together, then go and launch it and go from there. I mean, it needs to happen. If you want some help putting this stuff together, click the button below this video or somewhere on this page. Sign up for an action plan call with me. We'll talk about your business. We'll talk about your offers. We'll talk about your follow-up and your campaigns and all of that stuff. And whatever you don't have, we can build for you. I mean, I like to think of us as like the glue that brings, this campaign, this funnel together. We will build whatever you don't have. But first we need to have a conversation. So click the button below, sign up for an action plan call, and I'll talk to you soon. All right? Thanks.